What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make money with your Facebook profile. So, if you're new to the channel, I make about $100,000 a year in profit, just from the Facebook profile here, 100% for free. Like I said, that's why it's all in profit, right? So, the only thing you need for this is literally something to promote, and it pretty much runs on autopilot once you have everything all set up. I also have a course for this that I'm going to give you guys 100% free. If you're a veteran on the channel, you guys already know what I'm talking about. Yes, it is reopened now. So if you missed it before, definitely make sure you hop on, and do this training course or whatnot while it is free and available. All right. So first things first, you need something to promote, and I recommend promoting pretty much anything. You can literally promote anything you want, but CPA offers. You really don't want to promote CPA offers on your Facebook profile. I see so many new people doing that, and it's just a waste of time, guys. Like after you do it for so long or whatever, true, you'll make money or whatever, but people will start seeing you, and they will like basically see you as a time waster or a scammer. So let's say you're promoting a loan offer, right? A lot of those loan offers don't work, and true, you'll make a lot of money or whatever. But at the same time, whenever you try to do something else, people will start commenting on your stuff, scammer, and then all of this stuff. Like you just don't want to have anything to do with CPA offers when it comes to your actual profile, right? Don't promote any CPA offers. Don't promote, the loan, baby offers, like none of that. Stay away from CPA offers, 100%. Now, if you're teaching people how to do CPA, that's completely different. All right. So if you're doing anything in business, guys, it is very, 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 very important that you only focus on business-minded people. Do not try to turn a sheep into a shark. All right. Let them stay as sheep. That's one thing you should never do, guys. Never shame someone, who's happy at their job. And you're like, DeAngelo, you talk good shit about jobs. That's true, guys. I talk good shit about jobs, about people who hate their job and continue to do the same shit over and over. If someone's happy at their job, and they're getting treated like family, by all means, like, keep working at your job, do your thing or whatever. Being a business owner isn't for everyone. This is really tough stuff. That's why 9 out of 10 people fail at this, right? So if that person's happy, by all means, let them keep doing their thing, let them keep doing them or whatever. But if they hate their job and all they do is complain about it, but they never, try to make any effort to like, even attempt to change and make the situation better, then of course you asking to get shit talked about. You don't complain about something you don't plan on changing. It's just that simple. All right. But yeah, have something, that you can promote. Again, it can be anything. If it's in the business niche, you need to target people who are business minded. If you are doing anything, like let's say you just make a profile because you want pictures and stuff to go viral, then you want to focus 100% on everyday regular ass people, right? You don't want to have, stuff like that when it comes to, business people. It's just not going to work, right? Your audience is everything when it comes to this. So if you're doing, for example, like let's say you're doing Amazon FBA, right? And you're trying to teach people how to make money online. If you have everyday regular people, odds are you're not going to get many sales at all. You're going to have people comment on your stuff, scam. You're going to have people, doing that. And that's for any business, right? So you need to focus on business-minded people when it comes to business-related items. Business-related opportunities and stuff like that. Now, if you're doing Amazon FBA and let's say, or retail arbitrage, and you're selling people stuff, then of course you want to have regular, everyday 9 to 5 people. All right. Now, I go a lot deeper in this in the training and stuff like that. Obviously, I don't want to spend 1,000,001 minutes, going over everything I've already done in the training. So again, I'll give you that information here in a second. But yeah, all you need is your Facebook profile, something to promote, and you can use crawl post or market poster, right? So if you're busy, let's say you got like 5 accounts, right? Basically, you want something, where you can just post on autopilot. So let's say this is tomorrow's post for me, right? I'll have this like this. I'll have, set up my picture here. If I want to have a picture, let's have that pig up in there, right? So then we have our pig. Will be our post right here. Then we'll have it set to whatever profile. So all the profiles that you have, whether it's your groups or your pages or wherever, you want stuff to to post at, you'll have it right there. So obviously I'm gonna put this on the profile here, and then you're just gonna click schedule. And then let's say you want to have it for tomorrow. Oh no, damn, that's for, all right, boom, right there for tomorrow. And let's say we want to have it that time right there, and then boom, right? So it'll post tomorrow, at that time, and then that's it, right? So then we click schedule post, and then boom, now it's added to the schedule. Now we're 100% done, and let's say we know we want to do another post now. So we can either refresh the page or delete everything, and then we would just make our next post here, right? So then we would go down. All right, let's say that this was my post right here. And I would just paste this in here, and then same thing. Let's say I want to just have it just like that, then I'll post it. Let's say I wanted to have that for tomorrow again, but this time I wanted it to post at like late at night or something, right? All right, boom, right? And I'm gonna click schedule now, and then done, right? So we have to, oh, that's right, I got to select an item. So we would go down there again, select our profile, and then we click schedule now, and then we're done, right? Very simple. And then we come over here, this will be our schedule, and then we can see that we have things scheduled for tomorrow, right? So then we come over here, and this is where our post would be at. So then we would just delete that, because obviously I don't want that going on there. But very simple, guys. Like, that's literally all you would have to do. And as long as you have something, set up, where it's like everything like goes, and like I said, it's all in the training here, guys. But basically, you just need everything to work together, right? So you'll see like I'll randomly post, like inspirational quotes, quotes that make people think, and it's like stuff I normally just come off the top of my head, like, oh, okay, yeah, that'll be great. But if I just posted something, I'm not gonna go post something again, because that's when you have like, like you'll see a post that get like 100 likes, and then the very next post will get like 2 likes or 3 likes, or something like that, because you're posting too quick on Facebook or whatever, right? So then I'll just come over here, paste whatever I had, up in here, and I'm like, okay, just post this at this time, and then just forget about it, right? Or let's say I just made a YouTube video on how to make money on Facebook, right? Then I'll make sure after I upload this video here, then probably the next day, so which right now would be tomorrow, I would make a post like, okay, I make $100,000 a year from my Facebook profile. Who wants to know how I do it, right? And then that'll be more valuable information. Then I'll put that up there, and then I'll obviously people will come watch this video, and then it'll convert people to go and join Team DeAngelo or whatever it is I'm promoting in the description below. Or people might hit me up for one-on-one training, or they might start watching my other videos, and then they'll see Google Trends, like, and this is where I don't even have to talk to anyone. Like, literally, I don't have to talk to anyone whatsoever. No following up with people, nothing. All right, and it's very simple, guys, right? So to get the training, all you do is go to the teamdeangelo.net website, and you're just going to click 6 figures with Facebook. All right, so once you click that, all you do is come down and just going to start just going in order, right? So fixing up your profile, that's going to be number 1, right? So then you watch this video, it's 100% free. Then you're going to join the right groups, and then you're going to go to adding the right people, and then it's like literally going to go through the whole 9 yards, everything that you need, right, to literally do this. And this is very simple, guys. As you can see, this is like probably not even an hour's worth of content here. It's very simple, guys. This is like the easiest money you can make when it comes to like making money online. But again, you need something to promote, and you need to have the right people. That's the whole thing with this. That's why some people will make, hundreds of thousands of dollars with their Facebook profile, and some people will make absolutely nothing at all. And it's because it all depends on what you're promoting. You can have 1,000,001 likes on everything, but if there's no way that you can monetize it or make money, there's no point. Would you rather have 10 likes on something and make $100, or 1,000 likes on something and make nothing? I take the 10 likes every day, So that's just how it is, guys. In the making money online niche, you might not have, 1,000,001 likes. You might not have something that goes viral, but the likes and stuff that you do have will be high quality people, and then they're going to hit you up like, hey, how do I do this? Or, hey, how do I do that? Or they'll just click the link in the description. Or again, you let YouTube do the work. That's for me personally. I let YouTube do the work whenever I make a post, and I'm like, hey, just made a video on how to make money on Facebook. Then how to make money on Facebook. Then whenever people comment info, I just send them the video. Then they'll go to YouTube, and then whenever they're done watching the video, or let's say they don't finish watching the video or whatever, they're exposed to my YouTube channel, right? So then YouTube will be like, oh, DeAngelo just uploaded a video, let's say a month from now, right? And they're like, oh, damn, that seems like I remember that, right? So then it just follows up with them basically for you. It's like an email type of thing, you know what I'm saying? And then they see you on Facebook, they see you giving out content. It's basically just what I said yesterday, except this one's mainly just focused 100% of, on the ground first level, right? But hope this video helped you guys out. Again, to get that training, all you need to do is go to teamdeangelo.net. There's a link to it down below, and you just click 6 figures right here. That's it, all right? Obviously, all this other stuff will be locked because that's for the members only. But this right here, guys, if you do this, you can obviously make a lot of money doing this. Again, this isn't something that's going to happen overnight. It's not something that's going to blow up and make you a millionaire overnight. Like, this is stuff that actually takes work, right? If you don't have any money, expect, to get what you put in, right? Like, if you go to what is it, like McDonald's or Walmart or whatever, right? You put in 40 hours a week over there for $400, and you come over here and you try to like put in 2 hours of work, a week, and somehow expect to make $1,000. How the fuck does that make any sense? All right, you guys already know me. I'm gonna keep it 100% with you. You get in what you put out. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, if you liked videos like this and you like videos on how to make money and all that fun stuff, be sure to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below.